Hey everybody, welcome to Life Disney and Beyond. My name is Spencer.
And I'm Katie.
And if you're new to this channel, please take a second and subscribe so you can stay up to date with what's going on at Disneyland parks, among other things.
Yes, definitely. So we're here today to try out all the new foods for summer.
Yep.
We have a part 1 in case you missed it. We'll put it right down there in the description box below.
Yeah.
But now today we journey on with part 2 because there is more new foods for this summer.
So much, you guys.
Are you hungry?
I am. Let's. I think we should get to it because I'm starving,
Yes.
and I know you guys want to see what's going on. Let's go do this. All right, over here at Hungry Bear Restaurant in Critter Country, right next to the river, there's some new stuff we're gonna go try out. Because if you're hungry, you're gonna want to know what's going on over here at this spot. This is one of our favorite hideouts.
It really is.
It's the old,
Hungry Bear.
the old What's Happening Wednesday spot. Let's go up here and see what the bears have for us.
Let's go. Okay, double cheese fatty Alicia's. This is the moment we've been waiting for.
Look, it's the personification of double cheese fatty. It's real. With a pickle on top.
There it is. It's a house-made pickle.
Okay.
And then it's got it's almost In-N-Outy because it's got secret sauce, caramelized onions, burger, cheese.
Those are good patties too. They're no slim patty.
No, this is legit. It's $13.99 before your annual pass holder discount.
Right.
And it's an extra $1 to add these secret fries.
They're not on the menu.
They're $7.99. These are loaded fries. We haven't had them yet, so I don't know everything that's on there. Oh!
Hello, Fred Gurley.
Hi,
All right. And
okay, sorry. So I think there's cheese on there. There's melted cheese because I can see it down here.
Yep. And are those scallions?
They are scallions.
Very
and this
good.
looks like an herb sauce of sorts.
They're like loaded fries. You can also get the onion rings this way too.
Yes.
You have your choice.
Yeah, and then bacon, obviously. Double cheese bacon patties we're gonna be.
Awesome.
And then for dessert, we have a mocha Nutella chocolate funnel cake.
Extravaganza.
Extravagant. So this is actually mocha chocolate ice cream.
That looks good.
And this is Nutella.
Okay.
And we need to hope that this doesn't melt so we can eat our other food first.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is the new blueberry lemonade. This is probably the prettiest drink I've ever seen. I am so excited to, it's almost a hidden Mickey there.
Almost.
I was trying to.
Oh, there it is.
I was trying to make it happen.
Ears are falling off, but we get the point.
You get the gist.
All right.
Oh, there we go. Wait, there it is. Kind of. All right. Anyway, so cheers. Let's try the food and let you know what it tastes like. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Not too sweet.
Not too sweet. It's actually a little more tart.
All right. I'll be the judge of that. Oh yeah, it's not.
Right? It's super good.
Little tart. I like that.
It definitely needs a little watering down, but I think everything needs to be watered down. So.
It's appropriate with my shirt because today actually is the Tiki anniversary of Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. So I wore a Tiki shirt. Look, Charlie wore his Tiki shirt too. Because you know we're down with that kind of history. Okay, Katie's cutting into the double cheese fatty burger.
I'm a resident double cheese.
They should have named it that, but all right, here's mine.
Go.
Yeah, it's cooked correctly. It's not overdone, which we like that.
It's a lot of burger.
All right, let's all give it a go.
Mmm. That's good. That's a
Very
lot of
tasty.
burger.
Mmm. Mm-hmm.
House-made pickle.
Go for it. Tell me what you think.
Oh my gosh. It's really good. A little sweet, a little bread and buttery, but not too much.
All right.
Still has more tang in it. All right, this is for you. I'm gonna feed it to you. Pickle. We're pickle fiends here.
Good.
That is good. It goes well with the burger.
Mm-hmm.
We're now going to dive into these fries. How do you feel about this?
I'm excited actually.
All right. Oh, look at this. This fry has everything.
Oh, you got the good
on it.
example.
This is the example fry.
Oh boy.
Oh my goodness.
The bacon bits kind of make it.
It's this, to me it's the sauce.
Mm.
This, oh my gosh, I'm gonna live off of these. These are like the baked potato in Fantasyland in fry form.
It is. It's a baked potato fry.
This is the best thing I've ever eaten.
And I can only imagine how the onion rings taste like this.
Oh my gosh.
And Katie, she's still mopping those fries.
I can't stop. Well, you know how I feel about the baked potato?
Yeah.
These are so good.
It's Hungry Bear's equivalent in a French fry form.
I can't stop.
Don't stop. All right, she's kind of melted, but not completely, so it is time. My friends, it is time to dig into this massive funnel cake, coffee, mocha, Nutella Fantasy.
Fantasy.
That's what I'm calling it.
Okay.
Unofficial
boy.
name.
It actually held up pretty well because we ate that burger and sat and talked for a bit.
And it's a bit warm out. It's almost 80.
We have perfect weather here.
Oh boy,
my
look at
gosh.
that. It's like the burger of funnel cakes.
I'm gonna take a small bite.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna try
Famous
to get
last
everything.
words.
Famous last words. Amen. All right, a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
A little bit of Mickey's ear.
That's good.
What's the dominant flavor?
Mocha.
Okay.
Mocha. It's very mocha-y.
Because I'm not a big fan of Nutella, but I am a fan of mocha.
No, and I'm the same way. I'm more a fan of that. I was trying to get you a nice bite here, but it kind of fell apart, so I'm gonna...
Hello, train. Who we got this time? CK Holiday number 1. Cyrus K. My man. Set me up for disaster here. Here we go.
Set you up for a good bite here.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant, last outpost in East
What do you think?
we're now joining up with Rivers of America and entering the frontier.
Mocha. Yeah.
It's really mocha-y.
Mocha dominant.
All right, Charlie. Mocha-lisha. Mocha-lisha right there.
Actually, I'm not a coffee drinker, but it's not overpowering.
Right.
No.
No, so it's very tasty.
On funnel cakes, 1 out of 10, 10 being the best. What do you think?
About an 8.5.
8.5?
If you're a chocolate and coffee fan,
Yeah.
this will be a 10 for you.
All right.
Hands down.
There you
All
go.
right. This was your fork.
That is what's new in Hungry Bear, guys. Moving on. Look at this, you guys. It used to be a trail cart. Now it's the snacking place. How cool is this, Katie?
Well,
it's like
still a churro cart.
No, I know, but it's a little more.
A little snacking place.
Yeah, it's like a little hut.
Look at the little doors too.
Oh, look who lives in there. That's probably his house.
Well, maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at the little window lit up. This is
Little window
really
inside,
cute.
yeah.
Little weather vane on top of the house.
Oh.
Oh yeah, and then there's another little birdie house right there with a weather vane on it.
This is adorable.
Awesome. All right, we came over to Rancho Del Zorro where the trains look at this train's getting put away. Nice
love
view
that.
of Big Thunder right there. And we have acquired the 3 cheese enchilada platter. A little rice and beans, a little salad on the side. And what is this, Katie?
So this is the Hacienda Caesar salad.
Okay.
But I didn't want the chicken that comes with it, so I asked to get fajita vegetables, and then this kind of corn and bean salsa, I guess you'd call it, and then some pickled onions.
Okay.
And then I did light on the dressing, because if not, it's really, really dressing heavy.
And it comes in a real bowl, which is awesome.
Yeah, like I like the new plates and platters here.
Yeah, yeah.
This is the thing that we came over here to try though. It's a new agua fresca.
Looks pretty good.
It's got lime and mint on it, and it's kind of a slushy consistency. It's about
All right.
$5.99 if I'm not mistaken. Let's give it a try and see what we think. Is it too sweet? Is it too sour? Is it just right? About to find out.
All right.
As I fling the trash in there. Okay, let's see. That's really sweet.
I saw the face.
It's like melon sweet. It's like really, really melony.
My girl Melanie.
It matches
No,
your shirt.
It tastes like a honeydew.
Yeah. But I think it's just, it's not for me.
It's very honeydew melon. It needs more lime, I think,
Yeah, that's what it is. It's like it needs a little bit more to balance.
and even more mint, but it's still pretty refreshing though.
It's definitely refreshing. I agree with
I
that.
would say it's not too sweet though. It's like more just melon sweet, like you said.
Yes, yeah, that's what I mean. It's not like it's sugar sweet, but I would love it with a little more lime.
A little more tart would be nice, but
Yeah.
it's still refreshing.
Yeah, it just depends on your palate, I'd say.
Yes. Let's eat.
Okay, so at Stage Door, we have another delicious funnel cake. Actually, I don't know for sure if it's delicious, but it smells delicious and it looks delicious. It's supposed to be like milk and cereal.
Looks like Fruity Pebbles on there.
Yeah, that is some Fruity Pebbles. And then
Toy
some
Story
syrup.
Is it
Yeah, it's in honor of Toy Story 4.
Yeah.
And how much was it, Charlie?
$7.99.
$7.99.
right.
And it's a little smaller, I think, than the, maybe not, but it is hot. All right, let's see how it tastes now.
Fruity
That's
Pebbles?
good.
Yeah?
I was gonna say, it's like, it literally does kind of taste like milk and cereal. In a good way though.
Alright.
Not too sweet too.
Okay.
If you like an original funnel cake, I think this one might be a better option for you. But I really, really like it. This is the Bonnie's root beer. It's kind of melting already.
Yeah, it is.
So if you're gonna get it, make sure that you stay in here.
There's cotton candy on there.
And look at a sour belt.
Up,
like a
and a
rainbow.
little sour string there.
Look at it. It's
Vanilla
like
ice cream.
It's overflowing. That's not a string.
Oh, good try. We faked you out.
Delicious.
And hold the boot up. Let's see the bottom.
It used to say Andy. Now says Bonnie.
Oh, that's so cool.
Aw, Woody.
We'll add it to the collection.
Love it. It's really good though.
Is it good?
I think it's got root beer though.
What?
I think it's 7-Up.
No way.
Yeah. I mean, you taste it and tell me. It's a boot beer, so it's not boot beer.
Oh, that's not root beer.
It's not.
It's fruitier.
It's like
it's a fruit beer.
It's a fruit beer.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Well,
You get up on that sour belt, yo.
You get it. You get it. I'll get the licorice. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. It just keeps going. Look at this, Spence. Oh my god.
Whoa, it's like a rogue.
Oh my
rogue string.
goodness. Look at this. This is a mess.
Oh my gosh, we're making a mess.
All right, ready? Ah. Oh god. This is a disaster. But this is really good. Oh my gosh. That was good.
All right, going with the melting theme. We're melting fast here.
I don't know why this is happening.
It's the loop-de-loop. Look at that.
So it's got like raspberry sauce. It's more fruity. All this stuff is really fruity with like Fruity Pebbles and everything. That's really good.
With that bomb vanilla ice cream.
Yep, and then we got a churro.
I love the churro ears kind of thing, or whatever they are.
I know, the loops of churros.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
Look at that thing.
That's good.
All right, Life Disney style, we got to cheers these things. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Fruity lip.
All right, well that wraps it up. More food and treats. I'm gorged. I don't even know the word. I'm like really full.
Just know it took us all day to get through all of that. I think we did good. So let us know if you've tried some of these treats and food items in the comments below and what you thought about them. And of course, if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit your subscribe button, and turn on your bell notifications. And of course, if you want to support Life Disney, you can become one of our Patreon members. We'll put the information in the description box right there below.
We call it a Patreon Leisha, and we will see you next time on Life Disney and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody!
Bye.